what the heck is with this weather? It was just a nice day just a few minutes ago, and now it's a freaking blizzard. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. What are you doing? Don't touch my balls. Annie, stop playing with my balls. Those aren't yours.
They're mine.
What?
They're everyone.
Everyone's what?
Balls.
My balls are everybody's balls?
Yes.
That's ridiculous.
It's not ridiculous.
Well, we're here in Jeff's garage. Look at this freaking muddy floor.
I live on a dirt road, dude. Yoda Mafia!
And look what we got here. Best Chinese food ever, Pearl Dragon. So, we are here working on the Grom. Tonight, the goal is to strip it. And then hopefully transfer everything, start transferring to the new frame. So, it's pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited to get this unit on the road. It's gonna be fun. Got the forks off, sitting over there. Now we're working on getting the airbox off.
In that rubber grommet.
Rubber grommet! Piece by piece, it comes apart. Well, here we go. We've just done the frame swap from the crumpled frame to the fresh frame. Look at that. That's just some crumples right there. We got the parts scattered around. There's the motor. All 125 cc's of Raging Fury. 9.8 horsepower. We're moving along, and we have our Monster Energy drink and Pearl Dragon for snacky snacks. So we got these bearing races driven out of the old frame with this old extension here. You put it through and tap them out, and now we are reinstalling them into the frame, the new head tube, head tube. Tapping them in. Oh, that's crooked. Now this would be much better if we had an actual press, because we just press it on in, but we don't have that, so we're doing it this way. So we just used this, and just tap all around, got her in there, she's seated. Good to go! Zach, what are you doing?
Back together.
Are you a human jack or what?
It's my ball sack.
Oh!
Yep. Did the screwdriver happen to fry?
Well, would you look at that? It's starting to look like an actual bike. Getting her all back together. Outstanding. All right.
You got power.
We got power.
We're in neutral.
Yeah, it might be a little loud.
It's gonna sound like a robot
Oh,
sharding.
that's right. Easy. There's a turn signal.
What?
Uh-oh.
That button?
Yeah.
Whoopsies.
Apparently we got
The
something
turn
more.
signal's right here.
Yeah, it looks like we got something across.
That was probably
Whoops.
up there.
Looks like we plugged something where it's not supposed to be.
A little bit of a fuel pump there, maybe.
All right.
Here, just a second. Okay.
Oh. No tail lights, but
Well,
their stuff's broken and busted.
Dude.
Yes!
That sounded like a-
All right, that was like literally. So it's about it's 10:30 now. I came over here at 6
And we ate dinner.
and we ate dinner. So 6 to 10, complete frame swap. Here's the old one. And here's the new one. Yes! All right, we've put her together. We've got it to like 2 different plugs in the front tire. There's no headlights, and it's dark outside. So guess what? We're gonna take it for a test drive. Well, it's pitch black.
That is loud.
There's nothing in the rear brakes.
Yeah, I told you there'd have to be bled.
It definitely flicks some months of stuff on you.
Yeah, no fenders.
Man, that's pretty badass.
All right, she runs, she drives, got a few little tweaks to do, and then we got to order all new plastics
All this stuff.
and headlights. It's all broken. But our $1,100 wrecked Grom lives again. Great investment. I think this is something we're going to have to do more of in the future. It's almost good as new, almost. And normally, I don't operate with this much precision, okay? Balls. Shut up. So the question is, do I put this back together like a Subaru, or do I do some sort of like cool, futuristic Mad Max steel bumper? I'll probably go back to Subaru spec because a bumper would be really heavy, and this thing is leaking oil like a sieve, so it needs a new motor. I don't know. I got a lot of options I got to mull over. Alright, so I got to figure out which one of these lines is the front windshield wiper and the rear windshield wiper for the fluid. So we're going to try... Anything?
No.
That's a lot of pressure on there. Because I couldn't get it to move on either one.
Yeah, all right.
Body work! Not my strong suit. Alright, you guys. So now that the snow is melting off of the yard here, I'm tasked with the daunting, non-fun business of going through and cleaning up dog turds and picking up trash and all the other little stuff, raking the grass out. We got some mold in the grass. Got to rake that out, get it ready for summertime. And then I got this monstrosity of a lean-to that I'm going to have to redo. I kind of did a temporary patch with some like visqueen roofing material on it. So I got a lot of stuff lined up for this summer. Quite a bit of activities planned. And I got to work on the hot tub cover. Got to order a new one. This is kind of falling apart. My lifter bar is falling apart. Winters are not kind up here. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode, and I will see you around like a donut.